In this video we are going to tell you how to clean hardwood floors in your house. Hardwood floors can add warmth and beauty to any home, but they require regular maintenance to keep them looking their best. Cleaning hardwood floors can seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools and techniques, it can be done quickly and easily. In this video, we will discuss some tips and tricks to help you clean your hardwood floors effectively, without damaging it. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Sweep or vacuum regularly. The first step in maintaining hardwood floors is to sweep or vacuum regularly. Dirt, dust, and debris can scratch the surface of the floor, so it is essential to keep it clean. Use a soft bristled broom or a vacuum cleaner with a hardwood floor attachment to remove any loose dirt or debris. Be sure to sweep or vacuum in the direction of the grain to avoid scratching the surface. Use a damp mop. After sweeping or vacuuming, it's time to mop the floor. However, it's important to note that water can damage hardwood floors, so it's best to use a damp mop. Avoid using a wet mop or excess water, as it can cause the wood to warp or buckle. To create a cleaning solution, mix equal parts of water and vinegar or use a manufacturer-recommended cleaner. Dip the mop in the cleaning solution and wring out the excess water before mopping the floor. Be sure to mop in the direction of the grain and avoid using excessive force. After mopping, use a clean, dry cloth or mop to wipe up any excess moisture. Avoid using harsh chemicals. While it's tempting to use harsh chemicals to clean hardwood floors, it's best to avoid them. Chemicals like ammonia or bleach can strip the finish and damage the wood. Instead, opt for a manufacturer-recommended cleaner or use a solution of water and vinegar. Consider using a steam mop. If you want to avoid using chemicals altogether, consider using a steam mop. Steam mops use high-pressure steam to clean and disinfect the floors, eliminating the need for chemicals. However, it's important to note that steam mops are not suitable for all types of hardwood floors, so be sure to check with the manufacturer before using one. Wipe up spills immediately. Accidents happen, and spills are inevitable. However, it's essential to wipe up spills immediately to avoid damage to the floor. Use a clean, dry cloth to wipe up any spills, and then use a damp cloth to clean the area thoroughly. Be sure to dry the area thoroughly to prevent any water damage. Cleaning hardwood floors doesn't have to be a daunting task. Regular maintenance, including sweeping or vacuuming and mopping with a damp mop, can keep your floors looking their best. Avoid using harsh chemicals and wipe up spills immediately to prevent damage. With these tips and tricks, you can enjoy your beautiful hardwood floors for years to come. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks and life hacks. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Good luck and see you in the next video.